Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Drive files for affiliate marketing, complete guide step by step clearly. Creating backups of your Google Drive files is essential for affiliate marketers. Start by logging into your Google Drive account. Once logged in, locate the files or folders you want to back up. Right-click on the selected file or folder to open the context menu. Choose the download option to save it to your local device. For larger folders, you may want to compress them into a zip file. To do this, right-click on the folder and select Download. Google will automatically create a zip file of the folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's Downloads folder. Check that the downloaded files are intact and accessible. For added security, consider backing up your files to an external hard drive. Connect the external hard drive to your computer. Drag and drop the downloaded files from your Downloads folder to the external drive. Alternatively, you can use cloud storage services as an additional backup. Services like Dropbox or OneDrive can provide extra redundancy. Sign up for an account with your chosen cloud storage provider. Upload your files or folders directly to the cloud service following their specific instructions. Regularly update your backups to ensure all new files are saved. Set a reminder to back up your Google Drive files at least once a month. Consider using Google Takeout for a comprehensive backup. This tool allows you to export all data from your Google services. Visit the Google Takeout page and select the data you wish to back up. After selecting, choose the file type and size for the export. Click on Create Export and wait for the export process to complete. Check your email for a link to download the exported files. These exported files can also be saved to other cloud services for extra security. Lastly, educate yourself about best practices for file organization. Maintaining organized files will make the backup process more manageable. Secure backups are crucial for the success of your affiliate marketing efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.